Sa video na to, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano mabilis ma-review yung resume mo gamit ang top stacks sa 2025. Hey, it's Erin from Startup Wise. Now let's be real, sending out resumes can feel like screaming into the void. You apply, you wait, and you hear nothing back. Madalas, hindi naman ikaw yung problem. Yung resume mo yan. Kapag hindi siya naka-format ng maayos, kulang sa tamang keywords, or just doesn't stand out, nagbabury lang siya kaya pumapasok dito yung top stack, and I'll show you exactly how they help you get noticed quickly. So first, ano ba talaga ang top stack? Basically, resume writing and resume review service siya. And it's designed to get your application in shape fast. So instead na maghintay ka ng weeks o mag-DIY ka pa, ibibigay mo na lang sa team nila tapos gagawan ka nila ng polished and keyword optimized draft that actually makes it past those ATS. So the applicant tracking system everyone does talk about, and ito yung part na sobrang gusto ko. Hindi ka magbabayad hanggat hindi mo nakikita yung first draft mo. That means you get results up front. No waiting around or stressing if you wasted your money. Bakit importante ito sa 2025? Sobrang bilis na talaga ng galaw ng job market ngayon, lalo na sa startups. If you're trying to get hired at once, you can't afford to wait weeks on a resume rewrite. Startups are scrappy, nagfi-fill sila ng roles kaagad-agad. If your resume isn't ready, when that opening pops up, you do miss your shot. Kaya sinisigurado ng top stack na hindi lang updated yung resume mo but optimized in days. So kapag dumating na yung dream job sa startup, ready ka na mag-apply agad. Quick heads up lang, kung gusto mong sabayan to in real time, open mo yung pricing page ng top stack sa another tab or kunin mo yung link na nilagay ko sa description below. Sa ganung paraan, you can check the latest numbers while I walk through them on screen. Sige, jump na tayo sa pricing kasi dito talaga binibreakdown ng top stack yung details. Actually, bago tayo pumunta sa pricing, gusto ko muna ipakita sa inyo yung walkthrough ng homepage. So as you can see, they do provide a personal recruiting service to drive job search success. Nagfo-focus sila sa career goals mo, may personal recruiter ka na maghahandle ng every aspect ng job search mo, at talagang para lang sa interest mo bilang job seeker ang service nila. This service is designed to save you time and money and is outcome-oriented. So, imbis na documents lang ang ibibigay sa'yo na kailangan mo para mag-apply sa job, halimbawa, resume and cover letter, makikipag-work sila sa'yo hanggang masecure mo yung isang job, which is, ayun yung end goal. And you can see here, you can calculate below to estimate your pre-tax savings based off of various potential outcomes. So if you calculate and see how TopStack helps you, let's say your salary is $110,000, tapos yung services nila nakaka-increase ng salary mo ng 10% at yung time na na-save para ma-hire ka ay 2 months, makaka-save ka ng $29,000 and $333 sa first year mo, at $11,000 naman yung annual savings after noon. So kung pupunta ka sa pricing page, yung personal recruiter option ay $1,000 and $149 per month. Dito sa calculator, makikita mo na may ROI ka na babalik, may free consultation ka at may employment guarantee ka. So they do guarantee your employment regardless. They will help you land offers at pwede mo pang i-negotiate yung offer mo. Makakakuha ka rin ng 5% ng expert team nila plus phone and email communication. At US-based recruiter pa rin. Yung isa pang most popular package is yung professional package. So, kung ayaw mo ng personal recruiter, may option sila na professional resume, cover letter, and LinkedIn profile. May 60-day interview guarantee din sila at US-based resume writer. And you also get their most experienced writers. Tapos meron ding standard package and basic package. Yung standard package ay $249. You're essentially paying the difference for the cover letter now. Pero mag-pause muna tayo dito kasi hindi lang about numbers yung pricing. Para sa job seekers, yung tamang package talaga is about speed and leverage. Kung kailangan mo lang ng quick refresh, the basic or standard packages are cost-effective ways to land interviews faster. Parang ni-skip mo yung ilang weeks ng trial and error. Kung target mo yung higher level roles, kung saan bawat interview pwede pwedeng mag-mean 1,000 more salary. The professional package pays for itself, and if it lands you an even better offer. At kung pagod ka na sa job hunt, the personal recruiter option literally buys you back your time. Oo, mahal siya, but for someone who's juggling a family, side hustle, o pagod na sa rejection, yung investment na yun pwede maging difference between landing something in a month versus struggling for 6 months. No pricing really equals flexibility. Hindi ka nakatali magbayad para sa services na hindi mo kailangan, pero may options ka rin kung gusto mong i-fast track yung buong job search mo. So bakit mas mabilis to compared sa DIY mo? Kasi nagawa na nila yung homework. Alam na nila kung paano gumagana yung ATS filters, alam nila kung ano yung gustong makita ng hiring managers, at alam nila kung paano i-highlight yung skills mo without all the fluff. Imbes na puro trial and error ka pa, makakakuha ka ng resume na battle-tested na across thousands of clients. At para sa startup people, sobrang big deal na nito. Startups don't have time to sift through 500 resumes. Hanap nila yung candidate na kayang mag-deliver ng impact agad. So kung polished, clear, at talaga naman nagsasalita yung resume mo ng startup language, agad kang ahead sa 90% ng applicants. TopStack gives you the edge. Hindi siya tungkol sa pagiging corporate tignan. It's about looking competent, sharp, and ready to contribute on day one. So ganun mo makukuha yung fast resume review gamit ang TopStack in 2025. Mabilis siya, simple, at ginawa talaga siya para matulungan kang makakuha ng interviews imbes na mag-ghost ka lang. Kung gusto mong i-check sila, ilalagay ko yung link sa description, startupwise.com/TopStackResume. Para lang maging transparent, using that link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. Yan yung dahilan kung bakit tuloy-tuloy akong nakakapagawa ng step-by-step videos para sa inyo. This is Erin from Startupwise. Maraming salamat ulit guys sa panonood, and kita-kits sa susunod na video.